Hi there. Are you trying to install a plugin or theme in WordPress but keep seeing the error message, destination folder already exists? Don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common issue, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it, step by step. Let's get started. So, what causes the destination folder already exists error? Well, this error typically happens when you're trying to install a theme or plugin, but WordPress finds a folder with the same name already there. WordPress stops the installation because it thinks the theme or plugin is already installed. This message means that WordPress believes the plugin or theme you're installing is already present, even though it's not active or visible in your plugin or themes list. First, let's check if the plugin or theme is already installed. Go to your WordPress dashboard and head over to either the Plugins or Themes page. If you see the plugin or theme listed there, WordPress may have already installed it. In that case, all you need to do is activate it. If it's not listed, it could be that a previous installation attempt failed, leaving behind a folder with the same name. Let's fix that. Now, let's head to your file manager to locate and delete the leftover folder. Log into your hosting account and open the file manager. You can also use an FTP client like FileZilla if you prefer. Once you're in the WP content folder, go to the plugins directory. Here, look for the folder of the plugin that's causing the error. If you're installing a theme, head to the themes folder instead. Delete that folder, but be careful not to delete any other important folders. Once you've removed the leftover folder, you're ready to try the installation again. Head back to your WordPress dashboard and try installing the plugin or theme again. This time, WordPress should be able to complete the installation without any issues. If the problem persists, it might be a good idea to clear your browser cache or your website's cache if you're using a caching plugin. Also, make sure that your file permissions are correctly set. You can verify this by checking your WP content folder's permissions. It should be set to 755. Setting the correct permissions ensures that WordPress can properly access and modify the files during installation. Another potential cause is if you have an inactive plugin or theme that's conflicting with your new installation. If that's the case, deactivate or remove the old plugin or theme, then try installing again. That's it. You've successfully fixed the destination folder already exists error in WordPress. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you resolve the issue and get your theme or plugin installed without any hassle.